I'm wondering if you can tell me a little bit about the neighborhood itself where you grew up.
The neighborhood was mixed. That is, there were a great many Jews there, and all my friends were Jewish, but there were Poles and Ukrainians. And a little further, slightly further west, there was a very big Ukrainian neighborhood on the other side of Tompkins Square Park. My brothers, through the various settlement houses they belonged to, had many non-Jewish friends. And it was quite ecumenical. However, my older brother learned to box. And he said primarily so he would protect Jewish kids who were either beaten up or have their books knocked out of their hands when they were going to Hebrew school. My brother was a character.